Okay. So the sky's been flying up and down. Big old egret. I got bugs flying around me. We got a whole bunch of little ones up there. Play. No, Ella's seen him now. Ah. Oh, it's not bugs, it's mosquitoes. Well, we're out here. We're about 4 or 5 up here. Oh man, I must have walked into a cloud of them. Might end up pointy-headed or something. Well, I'm killing them as they're biting me, but they are biting me. Kind of hard to see off down in the creek, since they haven't mowed the edge of it. What are these? Little egrets. I think there's an ibis down there. Nope. Nope, there is ibises. 1, 2, 3, 4 egrets and 1 ibis. Oh, there's another one down there we missed. I don't think I can zoom in anymore. Oh, maybe I can. Oh well. I only saw the big one flying up and down the creek. I didn't see any of these guys. Ella is full of it today. Beautiful morning. About 68 degrees or whatever. But it's going to get hot. Let's see if I can put this back the way it was. First half of our walk, there wasn't hardly anybody. Now we've run into crowds. All kinds of, those same people I see every day, but anyways, let's see. Let's forget what day it is. There's a blood moon or something this week. And here comes one of the bicycles back. Have a good day. Bye.